Hello everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful heart shape. This is really easy to work and you need to know only the basic stitches to do this. So let's get started with the project. We will get started with a slip knot. And insert the hook into the slip knot, and we need to start with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have completed 4 chains here. Then we need to work a slip stitch into the very first chain to make a ring. Insert the hook into the very first chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. Now we have completed our foundation and we are going to work into this ring. And we will get started with the first round. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we need to work 2 double crochets into the ring. So yarn over and insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. After that we need to work another double crochets into the center of the circle. So yarn over, insert the hook into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 and again yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets and chain 3. We are going to consider these first 3 chains as the first double crochet. So altogether we have 3 double crochets over here. And then chain 2, 1 and 2. Then we need to work another 3 double crochets into the center of the circle. Yarn over, insert the hook into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. 1 and we will work 2 more. 2 and 3. Then again chain 2, 1 and 2. Then work 3 more double crochets into the ring. 1, 2 and 3. Then again chain 2 and work 3 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2 and 3. After that you can see that I have a little tail left here. So I'm gonna grab my yarn cutter and cut the excess piece carefully. Now this is what we have done so far. After that we need to work a half double crochet into the third chain from the start. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. So yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over and pull through the chain. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now we have completed our first round. And then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And then we need to work a double crochet into the same chain space. Yarn over, insert the hook into the space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed that double crochet and then we need to work 1 double crochet on top of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then we will work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space here. 1 and 2. Then this is the corner. There we need to work chain 2. And again work 2 more double crochets into the chain 2 space. And then work 1 double crochet on top of each of the next 3 stitches. Then we need to work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. Then chain 2 and work 2 more double crochets into the same chain 2 space. Now we need to work 1 double crochet on top of the next 3 stitches. Then work 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space and chain 2, 1 and 2. Then work 2 more double crochets into the same chain 2 space. Then work 1 double crochet on top of next 3 stitches. Then you can see that we reached the next corner. There we need to work 2 double crochets. Then work a half double crochet into the third chain from the start. So yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain from the start. Yarn over, pull through the stitch. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now you can see that I have completed the second round as well. Now we will get started with the third round. Chain 1 and then we need to work a treble crochet into the middle stitch over here. This is the center stitch, and on top of the center stitch we can see that we have this chain here. So we need to work a treble crochet into that stitch. So yarn over twice, keep the finger, insert the hook into the middle stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. And again chain 1 and work another treble into the same stitch. And again chain 1 and work another treble into the same stitch. And then again chain 1 and work another treble into the same stitch. And again chain 1 and work another treble into the very same stitch. And again chain 1 and we are going to work the last treble into the same stitch. Now we have completed 6 trebles over here. Then chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the chain 2 space here. Insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. And then again chain 1 and work a treble stitch into the center, that is this stitch over here. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the center, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again chain 1, work another treble into the same stitch, chain 1, then work another treble into the same stitch, then again chain 1 and work another treble into the same stitch, and again chain 1 and work another treble, and again chain 1 and work the last treble into the same stitch. After that again chain 1 and work a slip stitch into the chain 2 space here. Now we will start the outline of the project. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work a double crochet into the same chain 2 space. Then again we need to work one double crochet on top of the next stitches up to here. Now let's make 2 double crochets into the chain 2 space. And after that we will work a treble crochet into the same chain 2 space, yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. After that we need to work 2 more double crochets into the same chain 2 space. One and 2. Then work 1 double crochet into each one of the next stitches up to here. After that we will work 2 double crochets into the chain 1 space here. 1 and 2. Then work a double crochet on top of the treble here. And again 2 double crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1 and 2. Then work another double crochet on top of the next treble. And then we need to work another 2 double crochets into the chain 1 space. 1 and 2. Then work another double crochet on top of the next treble. And then 2 more double crochets into the next chain 1 space. And then work 1 more double crochet on top of the next treble. After that we will work 2 half double crochets into the next chain 1 space. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 1 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Again another half double crochet into the same chain 1 space, and then we will work another half double crochet on top of the treble crochet here. Now let's make 2 single crochets into the next chain 1 space. Insert the hook into the chain 1 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Again the second one, insert the hook into the chain 1 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And then work another single crochet on top of the treble here. Now work a slip stitch into the next chain 1 space. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Then again we need to repeat the pattern into the other side as well. We will work a slip stitch into the chain 1 space here. Insert the hook into the chain 1 space, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. And then work a single crochet on top of the first treble crochet and work 2 more single crochets into the chain 1 space, 1 and 2. Then work 1 half double crochet on top of the next treble crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Then we will work 2 more half double crochets into the chain 1 space, 1, 2, and then work a double crochet on top of the next treble crochet. And then 2 double crochets into the chain 1 space, 1 and 2. Again 1 double crochet on top of the treble, and another 2 double crochets into the next chain 1 space, and then another double stitch on top of the treble, and again 2 double crochets into the chain 1 space, and then another double crochet on top of the treble crochet, and 2 more double crochets into the last chain 1 space, 1 and 2. Now we have completed the outline as well, and then to join the round we need to put a slip stitch into the third chain from the start. 1, 2, 3, this is the third chain. So insert the hook into the third chain, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have completed the outline as well. And then chain 1, and you can leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. And you can use your yarn needle to hide the tail. Now we have completed our heart. I hope I have explained all the instructions clearly for you. If you have any question regarding making this, you can comment in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so that you will be able to see many more tutorials like this. And thank you very much for watching.